In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into the device. So it takes the smallest size SIM card, and before you can actually insert it, you will need a little SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. And all you need to do is just, at the top, you'll find a tray where you got a hole in it. Push that tool in there and the tray will pop out. Hopefully it's visible. That's basically the tray. So just take it all the way out, and as you can see, it has space for 2 SIM cards. They go both the same way, so all you need to do is place it like this with the cutout on the top left corner, and then slide it back in. And now if I unlock the device, we should see that there it is. That's the SIM card that I have inputted, and it's working. So that is how you would insert a SIM into it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.